In this video, we will cover how to edit field information on the Ag Leader Edge display. From the home screen, press the Setup button, press Management, press the Field tab, select the correct field, press the double-ended wrench. From this screen, we can edit the total acres, the FSA number, the FSA area. We can also clear bounds, and we can import or export a boundary. Once this information has been added or edited, press the green check mark, and this information is now saved. We have now covered how to edit field information on the Ag Leader Edge display. For more information on Ag Leader products, please refer to your local Ag Leader dealer, other tutorial videos on the Ag Leader YouTube channel, or the Ag Leader Knowledgebase at support.agleader.com. To find an Ag Leader dealer in your area, please visit our website at www.agleader.com and use the Find a Dealer feature located on the home page.